Hi guys, today we're making pom-poms! First of all, wrap a bunch of string around your hand. Cut the string. Now wrap a little bit of another colour around it to make it pretty. Don't forget to cut the string again. Grab another small piece of string and pull it through instead of your hand, and then tie it at the top. Now, take another piece of string and tie it round the pom-pom. This should make a little sphere at the top. Remember to tie at least 2 knots. Now cut the bottom bit, like this. This is my finished pom-pom, although I'm sure yours would be much better.